Alrighty guys, it is Pokemon Trainer Silverback here, and I'm back with another pack unboxing packs. I got the Breakpoint Mega Shrimp Gyarados, and then I also just bought an extra, celebrating the 20 years, so I went to GameStop, bought it. I was thinking of getting the huge Mega Gyarados box, but I really wanted this to go along with the Mew pin. So, as you can see, the Mew, the Flareon EX that we pulled, and the Meowstic. So let's open this, and then we will get crack-a-lacking. Put that there. Trash over here. 2 packs there. Now, if I do want to say something here regarding these, this was the last Breakpoint at the GameStop. I had to get it. I would have gotten more, but like I said, it was the last Breakpoint. Oh, nice. Look at that. This one does feel a lot thicker than any of them, so we're gonna save that one for last. Hopefully we get something good. This one too, but we'll see. I don't know, I might be crazy. The Mega Shrimp Gyarados looks pretty nice. Gold, little Pokeball details in the back, just like the Mew. It is a nice pin. So let's do this Mega Scissor first, just cause Mega Scissor. I already see a Pancham. And like I said before, these will be available on my Twitter. So we'll do 3. So we have a Tierno, we have Swanna, Stantler, Pancham that we saw, Petilil, Drowsy, Corsola, Froakie, a reverse hollow Lapras, looks very nice, and a hollow Suicune that we already have. And if I can just go over here, I'll show you guys that we already have it. So that's a shame. That is a disappointment. Let's just open this other Mega Scissor box. Little packet, if I can. Now we have another code that will go on the Twitter, so make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, and I'll be giving lucky people that code if you're into the whole trading card game online. All Night Party, nice. Stantler again, Slowbro, a nice Shinx there, a Slowpoke, a Phantom, a Psyduck, a Shelder, a reverse hollow Corsola, and wow, a hollow Garchomp. That looks nice. I know my camera is not the best, but I have the light on back here and you can just see the nice detail in that, so that's a good one. It's a hollow. So far it is my favorite of what we pulled. Anything new gets my attention. Anything new. we do have another one. Another one. So, a Gabite. Look at that. Goes perfect with that. Another All Night Party. Psychic's Third Eye. Staryu. Skrelp. Kricketot. Drowsy. Growlithe, nice, and a reverse hollow Spritzy, and a Greninja. So, we got Greninja, it's pretty cool, it's a rare. Not bad. So, I'm gonna bust something out. And this is just, here we go, a theory that I have so far. So what I think, if you pull a pack that has this, you're probably gonna get one of these non-hollow anything kind of rares. But if you pull one of these, as you can tell, with this I got a Suicune, and with this I got something else. These two are from the Mythical Mew box, which obviously have something. So, to go along with that, we just pulled the Greninja from one of these. We also pulled a Garchomp rare hollow from this, and Suicune from this. I got a Suicune last time and it had the same card. So I guess we'll find out what we get, won't we? I've yet to pull a nice rare hollow, or hollows, yes, but I've yet to get like a nice EX or anything, which I would love. I just did something amazing and I didn't think it was gonna happen. Look at that, I didn't even tear it. Pretty nice. So, this is already a disappointment, right? I might be wrong, but we'll see. I might not even get anything. This is kind of sad. Max Elixir. A Bayleaf. A Purugly. A Skrelp. A Staryu. A Skorupi. A Petilil. And a Rattata. Rattata. It's a Rattata. Reverse Hollow Gibble. And a Trevenant. So it looks like my theory could be true. So I haven't even been separating my reverse hollows. Oops. Let's just go Spritzy, even though we already had that. Reverse hollow Corsola, and I believe that was the last one because I separated the other ones. Okay. So yeah, highlight of this is the Garchomp that I pulled from that. Probably should have gone with the Gyarados box, the Mega Gyarados box. But I really wanted this. This was a seller just because I want the Mew and I want all the Megas and stuff. So yeah. That is it for today, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and click the subscribe button if you want to subscribe. Click the like if you would like to. Not amazing pulls, but it's something. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.